Orchard Beach Pavilion renovation update in the Bronx, New York, captured by drone and presented as a side-by-side timeline from October 2024 to May 2026. This video shows the dramatic progress of the historic Orchard Beach Pavilion redevelopment, moving from heavy structural construction to its final stages. First developed in the 1930s under the direction of Robert Moses, Orchard Beach continues its next chapter with the Pavilion Restoration Project. Originally scheduled for completion earlier, the project has experienced delays likely due to the complexity of coastal construction, permitting, and design adjustments. What was once surrounded by scaffolding and ongoing work is now nearing completion, with finishing details and public-facing spaces taking shape. Despite that, the transformation is now clearly visible, and the pavilion is expected to reopen for the 2026 summer season. This aerial footage highlights not just construction progress, but the revival of an important public landmark along New York City's waterfront. If you enjoy drone footage, urban development, and NYC transformations, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.